If your PT-PMA approval is stuck past 90 days in Bali, you're burning cash on rent and visas with no business license, and TheBaliLawyer gets it done in 45 to 60 days. Here's the problem. Most agencies quote 30 days. Reality is 60 to 90. Submit your LKPM notarized deed within 7 days of MOJ approval to avoid restarting the clock. Use a local Indonesian director from day one. BKPM rejects 40% of applications with foreign-only boards. PT-PMA approval in Bali involves 3 government layers. Ministry of Law, MOJ, clears your company name and deed in 14 to 21 days. BKPM reviews your investment plan and issues the NIB business license in another 21 to 30 days. Then OSS processes your operational permits in 7 to 14 days. Total timeline is 45 to 60 days if you submit clean documents. A tech founder from Sydney filed his PT-PMA in January 2026 without a local notary. BKPM kicked it back twice for missing LKPM signatures. He lost 38 days and paid double rent on his Canggu villa. This is exactly why we built TheBaliLawyer, to handle every Bali PT-PMA layer so foreigners don't burn weeks on resubmissions. Most people fail here. They hire a cheap online incorporator who submits the MOJ deed without pre-clearing the company name with BKPM. MOJ approves it in 14 days. Then BKPM rejects the investment activity code because it doesn't match the 2026 positive list. You restart from zero. TheBaliLawyer cross-checks your KBLI code with BKPM before filing the MOJ deed. That one step saves 30 to 45 days. Let TheBaliLawyer handle your PT-PMA LKPM notarization in Bali. We coordinate with the notary in Denpasar to get your deed stamped and uploaded to the MOJ system within 48 hours of approval. DIY founders wait 7 to 10 days because they don't know which notary office BKPM accepts. TheBaliLawyer uses the same notary the BKPM Bali office recommends. Approval moves to the next stage in 3 days instead of 14. This is important. Submit your NIB application the same day MOJ releases your AHU number. Most agencies wait until the client confirms. That adds 5 to 7 days. TheBaliLawyer auto-submits your NIB to BKPM within 4 hours of MOJ clearance. Your investment approval starts processing immediately. The 21-day BKPM clock begins that afternoon, not next week. This single timing move cuts 7 days off your total PT-PMA timeline in Bali. Here's the problem. Path A is DIY with a $300 online fixer. You wait 90 to 120 days because they file incorrect LKPM documents twice and BKPM sends it back. Path B is TheBaliLawyer. We file clean documents with pre-cleared KBLI codes and local notary coordination. You get your NIB in 45 to 60 days with 0 rejections. The time difference is 45 days. The cost difference is 1 month of Bali rent you're not wasting. When BKPM emails your draft NIB PDF, reply with this exact wording within 24 hours or they auto-reject and restart the 21-day review. Copy this, Terima kasih atas NIB draft. Kami setujui semua detail dan siap untuk penerbitan final. Mohon proses segera. That's Indonesian for thank you for the NIB draft. We approve all details and are ready for final issuance. Please process immediately. BKPM Bali requires this confirmation in Bahasa Indonesia. English replies sit in the queue for 7 to 10 extra days. Or skip all this and let TheBaliLawyer do it for you. We handle every BKPM reply in fluent Indonesian with the exact phrasing the Denpasar office expects. Terima kasih atas NIB draft. Kami setujui semua detail dan siap untuk penerbitan final. Mohon proses segera. Submit LKPM within 7 days of MOJ approval. Use a local director to avoid BKPM rejection. TheBaliLawyer gets your PMA approved in 45 to 60 days. Link in description. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer.com for help setting up your PMA in Bali. Visit https://TheBaliLawyer.com.